Make your move to a new Deltaweld system. Today's welders expect a better work experience. If your older machines aren't meeting expectations, it's harder to meet productivity goals. New Deltaweld systems deliver a user experience that today's welders expect. Reduce welder training time and simplify parameter setup, ensuring higher quality welds. It's quick and easy for new welders and every welder. To be productive, multiple feeder options let you make the move to pulsed MIG. Accu-Pulse technology delivers a more forgiving arc with a 28% wider operating window, so every welder can produce better results. Spend more time welding. Systems go from package to ready to weld in 14 minutes. Make your move to a new reliable Deltaweld system and move your operation toward more productivity and weld quality from every welder.